In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a database and the database user on cPanel. When we build our website, we are going to need a database because this is where we are going to store all our site data, our user details, our blog posts, our pages, our site settings, and so on. So to create a database, log into your cPanel account and go to Databases and click MySQL Databases. Here we can create a new database. You can name it any way you want. And then click Create Database. Okay, so the database is created. Make sure to copy the database and take a note of it, because we will need this information when we install WordPress later. So let's go back. Okay, so we are still on this MySQL databases page. Now we need to create a MySQL user, a user that will have access to this database. So scroll down until you see Add New User. Again, for the username, you can add anything. And then you need to set a password for this user. You can use this password generator to do it. Okay, so when you are satisfied with the password, make sure to copy this password and then take a note of it. Check this checkbox and click the Use Password button and then click Create User. Okay, so now that the user is created, copy the user as well and click Go Back again. Okay, so now we have a database and we have a database user, but we need to connect the two. So scroll down where you can see the Add User to Database option, and from the users, select the user that you just created. I only have one because I only created one so far, but you may have more and maybe you will add new users and new databases in the future. So make sure you have the user and the database selected and click Add. And now we have to define what privileges, what permissions we want to add to this user. We want this user to be able to perform all these actions. So we select the All Privileges option and click Make Changes. And that's it. We are ready to start building our WordPress website.